Hi, my name is Siddharth Day. I am a business analyst with Fafadia Tech, and in this video, I will be giving you a short walkthrough of support module on ERPNext. In ERPNext support module, we have various submodules such as issues, warranty, maintenance, and report. The main objective of having warranty as a submodule is to keep a track on warranty and its claim on items sold. General workflow of support module is create or record a warranty for a particular item, record customer warranty claim, and record or maintain warranty status. To create or record a warranty for a particular item, user needs to go in Item Master, select a particular item, scroll down below to Inventory section, and enter the warranty period in days. Once the user has recorded the warranty period, user can go further to click on Save button and enable the warranty period. To record a new customer warranty claim, user can click on Warranty Claim under Warranty in Support module. Click on New button to record a new warranty claim. Select the customer name from the drop-down feature, through which you can directly fetch the series number for the item purchased by the customer. Record the issue description. Verify the warranty status. Once all the details have been recorded, user can click on the Save button to record a new warranty claim. Advantage of warranty module on ERPNext is it helps to identify the item warranty period and record problems related to it, and better tracking of all warranties through status. As a result, ERPNext automates the whole warranty process and helps managing the process effectively, improving the customer experience by providing quick and accurate service details. Objective of issues on ERPNext is to manage issues either internal or external, similar to that of a ticketing system. General workflow of issue submodule is record new issue, auto-generate issue ticket, and update issue status. To record an issue manually through an email, user can click on Issues and Support module. Click on New button to record a new issue. Enter down the issue subject. Copy down the mail ID through which the new issue has been raised. And add description about the issue. Once all the details have been filled, user can click on Save button to record the new issue. To change the status of an issue, user can select a particular issue. And depending upon the progress, user can change the status by clicking on the status column and selecting a particular option to note down a particular issue status. This status of an issue will be automatically reflected in our reports. Advantage of having issues as a submodule in ERPNext is it helps in tracking of issues, resulting into improved stakeholder satisfaction by streamlining the issue resolution process. Objective of maintenance submodule is to manage maintenance of assets of a company. General workflow of maintenance module is define property of the asset, define maintenance timetable, and record maintenance visit. To create a maintenance schedule, user can click on maintenance schedule in maintenance module. For creating a new maintenance schedule, click on New button, enter down the customer name, fill up the details of item such as item code, start date, end date, set the periodicity, expand the item table, and adjust the number of visits as per required, set the salesperson detail and series number for reference. Once all these details have been filled, user can go further and save the document by clicking on Save button. To define a maintenance timetable, user can scroll down in the new maintenance schedule. In the schedule section, user can click on the generate schedule button to auto create the timetable for the maintenance schedule. To record a maintenance visit, user can click on maintenance visit under maintenance module. Click on new button to record a new maintenance visit. Enter down the customer name. Set the maintenance type. Set the completion status. Fill down the item table with item details such as item code, serial number of the item. Expand the item table. Fill down the salesperson detail such as salesperson name and work done on the item during the maintenance visit. Gathering customer feedback. Once all the details have been filled, user can save the maintenance visit by clicking on Save button. Further confirming the draft maintenance visit by clicking on Submit button. On submitting the draft maintenance visit, user can view the completion status directly on the maintenance visit report. Advantage of having maintenance as a submodule is ERPNext provide an easy to use interface to record maintenance detail, resulting into better maintenance of asset and increase in life expectancy. Support module contains reports such as support analytics, which represents number of ticket raised and time taken to close the ticket for particular time duration. With this, we cover all the basics of support module on ERPNext.